Want to learn how to build a powerful weather app in SwiftUI? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a weather app that pulls real-time data, displays a sleek 5-day weather forecast. This is perfect for iOS developers looking to level up their skills. So this is the actual app. As you can see, you can type in any city. I just typed in Miami in advance. If I click on the button Get Weather, it gets the weather for today in Miami, and it also gets the 5-day weather forecast for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday with actual temperatures. And it also shows if it's going to be light rain, cloudy, clear sky, broken clouds, overcast or light rain. Just to show you that it works, I'll enter another city, Karachi. Very hot city, 29 degrees. Full sun with a few clouds. And that's the weather forecast for the remaining 5 days. Also, I'll enter London. As you can see, London is much cooler, it's much colder. Then finally, I'll enter another hot city, which is Lagos. 36 degrees, very hot. So this is the application that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will continue to implement the getSortedForecast function within the Weather ViewModel class. The purpose of that function is to sort the 5 days forecast in the correct order by date. So the first thing we need to do is to type the following. Var daily data forecast data. So it creates a new array instance of the forecast data and we name it daily data. Var day groups string forecast data. And here on lines 54, we create a dictionary to store the forecasts for each group that relates to that date. The next thing we need to do is to loop through the array within our forecast list. And then we need to extract the date from the forecast list. So how we do it is like this: forecast date equals get date. So we need to create a function called get date. Take that function anywhere after line 63. Func get date. It should be func from td txt string and then that will return a date. So on line 58, we need to return to line 58 again. And then pass in the parameters, which is from forecast dot dt underscore txt. So that will extract the date from the forecast datetime string. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are Create To-Dos, List All To-Dos, or To-Do Stats. Clicking on Create To-Dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. What we need to do now is to return to the getDate function and continue the implementation. Let formatter, so we need to create a date formatter to convert the date into the right format type. Formatter dot date format equals y, so 4 y's, 2 m's for the month, dd for the day, hour, minute, and second. And that's the date format that's used in the API response. And then we need to return the formatted date to the calling routine. If the date couldn't be retrieved for whatever reason, we just return today's date. So now we need to return back to line 58 and enter the following. Let formatted date equals get formatted date. So we need to create another function. Yeah, we need to create another function called get formatted date. So let's just create that after line 71. Func private func get formatted date from date, which is a date data type, so it should be date, and then we just return a string. Let formatter equals to date formatter. Create a new instance of the date formatter dot date format. So we want the date to be in two Ds, which is, for example, 1, 2. So it starts with the actual day first, and then month, and then a 4-digit year. Then we return the actual formatted date as a string using the date. There's a mistake on line 73. We don't need a colon. Now we have to return back to line 60 and continue with implementation. Get format date from the forecast date. And then we also need to check the day groups array. So we need to make sure that no value has been added to the day groups array so that we can add our own forecast. So if day groups formatted date is equal to nil, so that means we need to copy our forecast to the day groups of the formatted dates. And then outside of the loop, we need to convert the dictionary values uniquely daily forecast back to an array. So we need to type the following: daily data equals array, daily groups, not values. And then we have to sort the daily forecast data by date, which we need to include today at the top. So if today is Wednesday, so it'll be Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday for the first 5 days forecast. let today equals get formatted date from the date. So that will get today's date. Daily data dot sort let data 1 equals get formatted date. Just call get date $0.dt underscore txt to convert the forecast for the first date. And then we need to copy line 73 to do the comparison for the second date. That should be date 1 and date 2. Return date 1 is equal to today. True. Date 1 is less than date 2. What that does, it ensures today's date comes first. And then we need to return the daily data prefixes to the caller, map, $0. So what that does, it just returns the first 5 days of weather forecast data. Let me compile it now. Oh, there's an error somewhere on line 71. I had to restart Xcode, but now it seems to be compiling. In next week's tutorial, we'll create the functionality that shows the correct weather icon that shows if it's raining or snowing or if there's any thunderstorms. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.